On the off chance that you're searching for Dogecoin cost expectations, estimate for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030 and fundamentally need to know where the costs of Dogecoin will go later on in an unobtrusive way. We will examine the previous costs of Dogecoin and will especially figure out what specialists basically are talking about its future cost activity, or so they thought. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you really want to especially take this forecast and each genuinely other expectation with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master experts, not to generally make reference to foreseeing something so wonderful is totally unimaginable in an unobtrusive manner. Yet, we will attempt our very awesome. How about we start, which is very critical, Dogecoin past value examination. As per the scarcely the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Dogecoin is 7 cents and Doge is presently positioned number 9 in the really whole crypto-biological system, or so they thought. The dissemination supply of Dogecoin is 132,670,764,300 with a market cap of $9,346,686,956 in an unpretentious manner. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Dogecoin's cost has shown a decent increment of 1.24% in the truly most recent 24 hours. For most recent 7 days, the Doge was in kind of good vertical pattern and expanded by 6.68%. Dogecoin has shown extremely serious areas of strength for of late, and this could be decent an open door to dive right in and contribute. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of Doge diminished by 22.497%. Wiping out an incredible normal amount of 2 cents from its ongoing worth in an unobtrusive manner. This unexpected down in every practical sense implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it very well may be a decent purchase, a valuable open door for kind of fast speculation. The 90 days cost change is near 24.00%, and the cost circled from a base typical cost of 9 cents to most extreme by and large normal cost of 9 cents in the beyond 90 days. Dogecoin for the most part is somewhere near 8.41%, with the greatest typical cost of the coin generally was around 9 cents and the base especially normal value of was around 8 cents in genuinely beyond 4 months. We anticipate future Dogecoin cost expectations. Doge gauge by applying profound computerized reasoning helps specialized investigation on the truly past value information of Dogecoin. We give a valiant effort to truly gather in every practical sense most extreme verifiable information for the Dogecoin, which really incorporate numerous boundaries like essentially past value, Dogecoin market cap, Dogecoin volume, and hardly any in every way that really matters more. Assuming that you are looking to, in every practical sense, put resources into computerized cryptographic forms of money and need great profit from your ventures, make a point to peruse our forecast. Dogecoin value expectation 2023. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Doge, in 2023 the cost of Dogecoin is estimated to essentially be at around a base worth of 9 cents. The Dogecoin value worth can explicitly arrive at a limit of 11 cents with the typical exchanging worth of 10 cents in USD. Dogecoin value forecast 2024. The cost of Dogecoin basically is anticipated to essentially reach at a genuinely least degree of 14 cents in 2024. The Dogecoin cost can arrive at a truly most extreme degree of 17 cents with the typical cost of 14 cents all through 2024, which is genuinely huge. Doge value figure for 2025. The cost of Dogecoin is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of 20 cents in 2025. The Dogecoin cost could arrive at a greatest worth of 25 cents with the by and large normal exchanging cost of 21 cents all through 2025. Dogecoin value expectation 2026. According to the gauge and specialized examination, in 2026 the cost of Dogecoin is supposed to generally reach at any rate value worth of 29 cents. The Doge cost can generally arrive at a most extreme value worth of 35 cents with the by and large normal worth of 30 cents, or so they thought. Dogecoin value expectation 2027. Dogecoin cost is gauged to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of 43 cents in 2027. According to our discoveries, the Doge cost could arrive at a fundamentally most extreme conceivable degree of 51 cents with the typical figure cost of 44 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2028. Dogecoin cost is conjectured to arrive at a most minimal really conceivable degree of 61 cents in 2028, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. According to our discoveries, the Doge cost could in a real sense arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of 75 cents with the typical estimate cost of 63 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2029. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Doge, in 2029 the cost of Dogecoin in a real sense is anticipated to especially reach at an all things considered least degree of 90 cents in a significant way. The Doge cost can arrive at in every practical sense, greatest degree of $1.05 with the typical exchanging cost of 92 cents. Dogecoin value figure 2030. The cost of Dogecoin is explicitly anticipated to basically reach at least worth of $1.30 in 2030 in an unobtrusive manner. The Dogecoin cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $1.57 with the typical exchanging cost of $1.35 all through 2030 in an unpretentious manner. Dogecoin value expectation 2031. The cost of one Dogecoin generally is supposed to reach at a sort of least degree of $1.82 in 2031. The Doge cost can arrive at an essentially greatest degree of $2.25 with the typical cost of $1.87 all through 2031. In a significant manner, Dogecoin value expectation 2032 according to the gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2032, the cost of Dogecoin is especially anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $2.57, in spite of prevalent thinking. The Doge cost can arrive at in every practical sense, most extreme degree of $3.17 with the typical exchanging cost of $2.66. What essentially is the eventual fate of Dogecoin? The eventual fate of Dogecoin explicitly is profoundly subject to the general exhibition of the crypto business in a significant manner. With regards to putting resources into Doge, you really want to make in every practical sense sure that you are utilizing the right system. This kind of venture isn't appropriate for those with a helter-skelter risk profile amazingly. In any case, still a fantastic speculation for those have an essentially high capacity to bear risk and a strong monetary position. Notwithstanding its theoretical nature, Doge likewise sort of offers openness to a worldwide innovation and a consistently developing environment. What amount will Dogecoin be worth in 2030? As far as value, Dogecoin especially has an extraordinary potential to arrive at new levels. It is figured that Doge will increment in esteem. As per explicit specialists and business examiners, Dogecoin can raise a ruckus around town cost of $3.17 till 2030. What amount does Dogecoin cost in 2024? The cost of Dogecoin will increment as kind of additional financial backers generally engage in the venture in an unobtrusive way. In year 2024, Dogecoin will in every practical sense be worth about a normal cost of 14 cents. How high could Dogecoin at any point go? The typical cost of Dogecoin could go to 10 cents before the current year's over. Assuming we gauge the 5-year plan, it is assessed that the coin will effectively sort of come to the 44 cents mark, which is very huge. What will be the Doge, particularly the most noteworthy figure cost for 2023? The Doge cost is supposed to really arrive at a greatest degree of 11 cents toward the finish of 2023. How sort of much will Dogecoin be genuinely worth in 5 years? In 5 years, Dogecoin will have a base cost of 51 cents and a most extreme cost of 43 cents per Doge. Since Dogecoin is exchanged on a market interest premise, its worth vacillates radically. Is Dogecoin a wise venture? Dogecoin's worth especially is supposed to keep on extending, as lack will in general energize